My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware, which the name I'm not going to pronounce. This ransomware is able to damage the files. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the files. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data, but sadly because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this POOP extension. It also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay it. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on this Start Scan button, and most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. So take time until the antivirus database is successfully updated. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. It takes some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. I recommend that you pay attention to the anti-ransomware feature. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about how to possibly recover the data.